My favorite thing about Ivanti is I get a number of solutions that bring together my entire IT infrastructure. I can do everything from asset management to procurement to vulnerability management to understanding how my systems are communicating with each other. It's not that it's a product, it's a bunch of products that help me manage IT. So I think getting business functions and processes into ITSM is a huge gain. And in the service mapping tool, we went into that with the premise of, hey, we'll get enhanced asset management. We'll understand our software and hardware. We'll get some data flows that show us how our systems are tied together. But what we didn't expect is what we got out of the service mapping itself from a business continuity perspective. We were able to take diagrams of our lending platforms, our deposit platforms, and all the systems that went into those. And that gave us a whole new view of what business continuity looks like. If the business priority is to restore commercial lending, well, here's the 6 or 7 things that are in commercial lending. So then you can go from there and adjust your business continuity program to restore those services in the order the business needs. It was not an expected gain, but it was wonderful. Obviously streamlined IT operations. You hear people talk about a single pane of glass. I don't think that exists in any IT world, but maybe a single system that can help us find the information about what we're supposed to be doing, how we're supposed to be helping our customers, to understand what's their biggest need. For example, we had, I think Gartner says it's $70 per call to your service desk to unlock a password or reset a password. The first year we implemented that, when we did the math at the end of the year, it was $160,000 in savings. You're not calling a service desk. We gave the customers their ability to reset their own passwords and unlock their own accounts. And that, just year after year is it was just a phenomenal save for us. We've had a lot of successes with Ivanti. I mean, we've got a great Ivanti partner that was able to help educate us on things that we maybe weren't thinking about and point us in a direction of something that they felt was good for our business. We've had a great experience with a lot of the product managers, been able to sit down and do one-on-one conversations and, hey, here's my need. My banking need is a little bit different than another industry need, but they're willing to listen and kind of come up with a solution that works for us.